Hello everyone. Today I am currently in Hyderabad Eco Park, which is located near the Himayat Sagar. Today we are here to review this Hyundai i20 Astra VS4 diesel car. This comes with a 6-speed manual transmission and plus one air reverse gear. And you can see the sleeky design of the sedan. This is a premium series of i20 Astra at that time. This is a 2011 model. And coming from the side profile, you can see the uh, hatchback style seat design and comes with an foldable ORVMs and has a 45 liters of diesel fuel tank. And you cannot see the shark fin antenna for this. It's a old school one. And from back you can see the boot, which is of a 295 liters, a decent family for that, and a four parking sensors, which I have added outside aftermarket one. And you can see the lights, and from back it looks like a chubby car, just for me. And for all levels, and come and let me show you the engine bay. We have to open this up, and this gonna open up the boot. So coming to the engine, this is an CRDI 1.4 liters diesel engine and 16 V means 16 volts, and that's the information I know about this engine. And remaining details I'll be mentioning. I'm not that full of car guy, so I'll be mentioning all the details which you want to know. And you can see this is a turbocharged engine. Yeah, turbo works very fine in this engine. It's very naturally aspirated. And that's all for the engine bay. This is how I will drive. Let me stop at the signal and quickly tell you about something more about this one. So this car has a total of 6 gears, and coming with a reverse one which comes totally about 7 gears. This has a 6-speed manual speed gear, and also old infotainment system, and with the digital instrument. This is the speedometer and tachometer, which indicates a fuel levels and indication engine hot levels also. And coming with specifications, this car comes from the 4-window power window, and one touch stop of this front door front driver one. And for coming to the speed, this car just goes into this car comes with a turbocharged engine, so it just fucking hell, it just cracks everything, like cracks of this speed. This car is an the turbocharged engine, so it can reach directly from 0 to 100 in some kind of 10 seconds, maybe I don't know at the approx. But as this is an older model, what can we expect from this? This is the this runs directly onto the diesel, so a diesel car definitely has some of the less what we can say power, not power, with like speed, but this car has so much of for the torque. I'm sorry, this is my first review, so yeah, let me find a quick road for you to show you this here. So this old car also indicates about the gear system, like which gear I have to put, which gear the speed should be. This is a premium hatchback at the time. Everyone just loved this car. This is a parent model of the i20 car. You also know, right? The newer models of i20 Astra. So this is one Astra car of 2011 model. Telling information while driving is one of the difficult tasks while holding a phone in the steering and one hand on the gear. This is really one of the tense moment for me. I have never drove like this. Okay, but somehow okay, it's a good one. And more of this car. At that time, many of the people just were like at the time many people just didn't bought this car because at that time premium hatchbacks were set some higher cost. Like at that time also there is a Maruti Wagner. Maruti Wagner was the competitor of this car. So that car just gained most of the popularity and leaving this car behind. Yeah, Maruti Wagner is also one of the beautiful creature by Maruti Suzuki. But this is in a Hyundai one, Hyundai i20 Astra. Parking. So these are the infotainment system. AC works very chill in this car. Even though it's about 15 years, we have also renewed the license. And let me tell more of the specifications. This car comes with an foldable mirrors, which I can control from this driver side, and 4 power windows, everything. And one thing I just forgot to tell you: when I turn on the light, this just glows everything. Like at night, you can see this. These are glows, these buttons, and this one. At night, this looks very fabulous. If I can post you, I can. And from back side also same. For the space thing, I just love the because this is so spacious from inside. As a 2000 level model, we can expect more of the space because they don't give more of the compressed system. Comes with the central locking system at the time also, which was good one. Yeah, this is all the stuff they just leave. And see this one. This is what I was talking about. Let me clarify this one. Yeah, this is a viewpoint. Whenever we just get depressed or some kind of anxiety feels us, I just come here and see this weather and beautifully enjoy this moment. At that previous time, it has to be opened by these gates. I don't know why just they locked from the last 2 years. At before the 2 years, 2 to 5 years also, I can just move all the way to the gates and just kind of see all the water flowing through them. Maybe for the security reason they have just closed this one. Yeah, this comes with some of the this stuff. 0 to 100, yeah. God, it just pulls me back every time I just press on the accelerator. You're just gonna love it. Maybe I don't want to go to 100, but let's wrap up it till 80 only. I'm so sorry, this is an old model, but yeah, definitely it just goes to 140 and 150 also. I have tried in the Nehru Outer Ring Road. I can definitely guarantee on this. This engine is still reliable even after the 15 years of that service. As you can see. Still very reliable engine. This is Hyundai had done a very fabulous job in this making of this older generation cars. I don't know about other cars. I didn't drove other cars, not more than a Maruti Suzuki and this Hyundai, I think. So I maybe don't know, but this car just feels very very sporty because this is a sports version of this car. We have bought the Astra Sports 1.4 diesel, so definitely worth the car. Even after 15 years, also just still runs as new as same as the old one, same as new one. Worthy competitor. Still, if you guys gonna love this, please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, thank you.